Step into the world of culinary delights at Prince Casey channel. Today we unveil a special edition filled with kitchen delicacies that will tantalize your taste buds. Experience the vibrant aromas and mesmerizing colors of our carefully crafted dishes. With each recipe, you'll learn the art of cooking while enjoying the joy of creating mouth-watering meals. Join us in this flavorful journey and let's cook together.
Today's dish, South Indian special Vermicelli Pulao. First, fry vermicelli with ghee. Roast it until it's brown. Boil water with dry spices and salt. Add turmeric powder. Now mix the roasted vermicelli in the boiling water. Strain the excess water from the vermicelli. Now let's start the tempering process. Add oil in a pan and add mustard seeds. Followed by chana dal and urad dal. Fry the dal till it's brown and now add groundnuts. Followed by onions. Saute till it's brown. Add green chilies. Followed by vegetables. Let's start with beans and the peas. Let's add carrot also. Close the lid and cook it for 15 minutes. Add salt to taste. Finally add mixed cooked vermicelli. Garnish with grated coconut, coriander leaves and curry leaves. Mix it well. Tasty vermicelli pulao is ready to serve. Enjoy. Subscribe to the channel and come back for more delicious dishes.